Hi guys, today I just wanted to do a real quick video on how I prepare my canvases before I paint on them. I have already sprayed the back of this one with water, and what that does is tighten up the canvas so that there's little or less risk of the paint pooling in the middle. So you can see how that sounds like a drum. That's the way it should sound. If the canvas isn't real nice and tight, it's not going to sound like that. So having done that already, basically all I do is tape off the edges. And this is frog tape. Real easy. I used to cover this part down here with brown paper, but I have found that I've learned how to handle the canvases better, so that the back of the canvas usually doesn't get any paint on it at all, or if it does, just very little. I don't like messy canvases. Some people like them, and that's fine. I would rather have a nice clean canvas rather than a bunch of paint all over these edges. So that's pretty much it. I forgot my scissors, so what I would do is just cut those little flaps off there. And then as you're painting, or as I'm painting, there's going to be paint running off the canvas, so you want to use these push pins, there's my dog, to keep the canvas raised up out of that puddling paint that's pouring off. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll cut those off with scissors, and you're all ready to go. Thanks for watching.